In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert 3D to 2D drawing. This process is especially useful when you need to create detailed plans, sections, or elevations from your three-dimensional designs, ensuring a precise and clean transition from one form to another. By the end of this guide, you'll have the skills to make this transformation effortlessly, which is an essential step in architectural and engineering workflows. Let's get started. For this demonstration, I'll be converting a 3D shape into a 2D isometric view. The first step is to navigate to the exact view you want to convert into 2D. This is crucial because the view displayed on your screen is what gets transformed into the 2D drawing. Carefully adjust the perspective so it perfectly represents what you want to capture. Accuracy at this stage will save you time and adjustments later. Once you've selected the perfect view, go ahead and select the specific object or objects you want to convert. It's important to select everything you need at once to ensure a smooth workflow. Using Autocad's selection tools can make this step more efficient. After making your selection, activate the FLATSHOT command by typing it into the command line and pressing Enter. This handy feature takes your 3D object and flattens it into a 2D representation. When you press Enter, a new window will pop up. This window gives you a few options for customizing the output, but for today's purposes, simply click OK to proceed with the default settings. This keeps the process simple and straightforward. Next, use your mouse to position the newly created 2D view onto your drawing space. Place it where it makes the most sense for your layout or document requirements. Once it's positioned, press Enter 3 times to finalize the placement. This step ensures your view is accurately laid out. And just like that, you now have a 2D representation of your 3D model. You can repeat this process for any view you want, whether it's front, side, top, or any custom angle that suits your project. Practice this a few times with different perspectives to really get the hang of it. This versatility will significantly enhance your drafting capabilities and presentations. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.